Yeah, once again, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still, yesterday session we saw like country general settings, that is country settings, region settings, currency settings, and holiday calendars, factory and as well as office. Okay. So today we are going to start with the core practical part. That is, write it down. Put a heading as in FI, finance enterprise structure. Finance enterprise structure. Put a heading as in finance enterprise structure. Under that, write down subheading. Under that, okay. Under that, put a heading as in subheading as in define define FI enterprise structure. So we have a two parts under this. Okay. One is definition separately. Few steps we will define. That is nothing but creation we will do. And after that, we have further one more step that is called assignment. Assigning is nothing but integration. So whatever integration we will create individually. For example, company we will create, company code we will create, business areas we will create, credit control areas we will create, functional areas we will create, functional management areas we will create, right? Individually, everything we will create. That is nothing but a definition part. So what we are going to do, we need to make a relation between company code to company, right? Credit control areas to company codes. So we need to make a relation. That is nothing but an integration. So that part we are going to call it as an assignment part. So here in the enterprise structure, we will have two subheadings. One is definition of enterprise structure, under that only. And second part, assignment of enterprise structure. Okay. First, we are going with definition. So subheading, define FI enterprise structure. Define FI enterprise structure. Okay, so I'll go to SAP before. So this is which screen we are in? We are in which screen?
End user.
Sorry?
End user.
End user screen. So always try to recognize we are in which screen. Okay. So from there, what is, you can go with the tools and all, but apart from navigation, how we can go to the consultant screen?
SPRO.
Perfect. SPRO and SAP reference IMG. Next one. So here we have done yesterday SAP NetWeaver general settings. Now we are going to deal with enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. So first I'll show the path and I'll dictate it. Okay. So what is the shortcut key? Are there what we call transaction codes are activated here?
No, sir.
No. So how to activate the transaction codes here?
Additional information.
Sorry?
Additional information.
Additional information.
Additional information.
Again, additional information.
Display key.
Display key.
Yeah.
And from there, IMG activity. Okay. So this is. So write down first step. First, we are going to define company. Write down first step. Define company. Define company. Definition of company. Write down the path. Write down the path. SPRO. SPRO. Step number 1. Define company or definition of company. Path SPRO. Path SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. definition, financial accounting, defined company, transaction code OX15 or OX15. So I'll repeat once again. Path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, defined company, transaction code OX15. Okay, so I'll go to the practical part. So here you can see the same navigation we have, enterprise structure, right? Next, definition, financial accounting, defined company. So here you can see the last 4 characters, transaction code OX15. Okay, click on defined company. Next, write down, press new entries, write down, press new entries. So because our company is not there in the system, so we need to create it. It's a new entry. So press new entries. Press new entries. So what I'll do, I'll give it as an our group company, corporate company name is, what is our corporate company name?
Birla.
Birla, right? Birla group of companies. I'll give it as an Birla. Okay. Birla. So I'll give it as an Birla company name, Birla group of companies, Birla group of companies. So short name again, this is nothing but company name. So I'll give it as an Birla group, street number. So here, whatever client address is there, that we need to give it as, we need to give. So I'm giving the same. Okay. So this one also already it is there. City Hyderabad. So these fields are nothing but text fields, 4 fields. Okay, these fields, the remaining 3 fields are drop down fields. So we need to select the required. So here country, which country we are in. So select IN. IN. Language, English, EN. And currency or company currency INR. Just write it down as it is. So if you are using the same server, then please don't use this company name. Use any other company name. Hope you got my point, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So with the details, we are saving the company. So once you are done, let me know, please. Once you are done, let me know. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Just
No problem. The address you can ignore because you can give anything. But in real time, we will receive from the client the address and all.
Yes, done.
So once you're done, so normally we will save it, right? Like Word document or whatever. In the same way, we need to save it every configuration step. So it will ask where we need to save, which transport request we need to save. So first click on save, then it will ask for transport request. So are we in the same transport request? Same folder? Yesterday we have created transport request, right? We have given a name to that particular transport request, Birla Group of Company configuration settings.
Okay.
Is this the same?
Yes.
Yes. So we are going to save everything, all the configuration steps, mostly in this itself. So click on OK. That's it. Okay. So once it's done, click on save it. So with these details, the company has been saved in our server. Next one. Okay. Next step. This is the first step you can see here. Second step, write down, define credit control area. Define credit control area. Define credit control area. So write down the path. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. From there, select define credit control area. Define credit control area. Okay. Transaction code OB45. Transaction code OB45 or OB45. OB45. So click on execute activity. Okay. So we have not created yet any credit control area. Now what we need to do, we need to click on press new entries, write down, press new entries, press new entries, press new entries, press new entries. Okay. So what are our credit control areas? Okay. So here we have created it as an credit control. You can see here BIC1. Okay. So here I'll give it as an, here I'll give BIC1, write down credit control area. Next one, currency INR. So as per the structure, what we have created, BIC1, you can see here, Birla Credit Control Area for Hyderabad. We have already discussed what do you mean by credit control area. Means we are going to design the credit limit for the customer. Credit limit, the limit will be given by the SD consultant. It's not our job. Just we need to create the credit control area. The limit will be set by the SD consultant, sales and distribution consultant. It's not our job. But still, again, however, we are going to do the SD part also. So that's the reason I'll explain here how they will set it. Okay. So next one, just write it down. First of all, I'll explain. Here we have, see, update. See, here we will have three options here. No update from SD documents. First one, we have, okay, you can see here three options we have. Okay, one is 12 order level. Okay, delivery and billing document. Okay, if we select 15, only delivery and billing document it will show. Open, what does it mean actually in the sense? For example, whenever you have received an order, from a customer, okay, if we select 12, then it will give you a heads up stating that this particular customer credit limit is this much. So for example, his credit limit is 1 lakh, but he has given an order for 2 lakhs, right? So once you receive an order, okay, if you select this option, so it will check what is the order limit for him and what is the order he is requesting, right? If it is greater than that, it will show heads up. Means it will show a warning message, soft warning message only, right? It will show it. Okay. If we ignore there, okay. If it ignored there, then it will give you at the time of delivery. Delivery in the sense, we're not going to deliver. Once we do the packing part, once we update the GR part, once we update the GR part in our systems, at that particular point of time, it will give you a soft warning message. Clear? It will give you a soft warning message at the time of delivery. Nothing but once we have done the GR part. Next one, and billing document. Okay. At that particular point of time also, we ignored that message. And next, at the time of invoice preparation time. At the time of billing. Billing is nothing but invoice. So we are going to raise an invoice on customer, right? So at that particular point of time, it will show you 3 soft warning messages. Okay, if we select this particular option, 00012. And next one, if we select only 00015, what it will show at the time of delivery, at the time of delivery, it will show first time. And second time, it will show at the time of invoice, not at the time of delivery. Sorry, not at the time of order. Clear? It will show at the time of, once you receive an order, it will, if you select this, once you receive an order, it will not show any soft error message. Okay, when it will show, when you are ready, your shipment is ready, you have done the GR, at that particular point of time, it will show an error message, soft error message. And we ignored that. Then it will show you at the time of invoice preparation. So with the second option. Third one, open delivery value and sales order. In the sense, here open delivery value for sales order. So here it will not give you at the time of packing. It will give you once you receive an order from the customer. At that particular point of time, it will show you a soft error message, and same time it will show you at the time of invoice preparation. Clear? So 3 different time it will show you. Okay. So always better to go with option 12. Any questions here? Any questions here? Hello?
No.
This is very important, even though we are not SD consultant, but we need to have an idea of this because we are going to do SD integration also. Okay, it's always good if we select 12. So we are going to select 12. Next one, fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant is nothing but your financial year. Now, normally our companies in India, corporate companies in India, normally we follow April to March. April to March. In the same way, April to March. So SAP has provided standard fiscal year variants actually. So it's already defined for different countries, different financial years. So what do you mean by a variant? What do you mean by normally a variant? COVID variant. What does it mean?
Right.
COVID variant in the sense, for example, different attributes, not with one attribute. If it is having a different attributes, then we call it as an one variant. For example, if you see COVID, what is the issues we will face normally? Probably fever, high fever, cold, cough, right? Throat pain, right? Headache, body pains, right? All these may be there if COVID is get affected, right? Malaria is having some different. So malaria variant. So whatever different attributes are there that will be combined at once, then we call it as a variant. Clear? In the same way, SAP has provided different fiscal year variants. Variant in the sense, April to March. April to March is Indian fiscal year, financial year, right? So how many months will be there in, in that 12 months? How many days will be there in one particular month? 30 days, 28 days, 31 days, like that. That is not standard. So that will be clubbed all together, different attributes, and it will be created as an one variant. Okay, SAP has provided different standard variants. So here the standard variant for fiscal year April to March is V3. You can see here standard. I'll tell you once we are entering into different fiscal year variants. Okay. So here you can select V3. V3 is a fiscal year variant. Next one. Risk category. Okay. And the credit limits we will give. I'm giving 10 crores. Okay. BIC1, INR, update, that is nothing but 12. V3 is a fiscal year and 10 crores I'm giving. Is this clear? So just write it down. So only the thing is normal in general, if we are not doing SD, then we will create these two, BIC1 and INR, and we will leave it blank. And fiscal year also we will give in the real time. We won't give this update part and the credit limit part. That will be taken care by SD consultant. What are the things? We will create a credit control area name and INR. Okay. And only fiscal year variant we are going to give. The rest part, update, risk category, and all those stuff will be done by SD. Okay. So click on save button. Click on save. Again, it will ask for folder. Are we need to check every time, are we in the same folder or not? Then say click on OK button. Click on OK button. Okay, next, press back button. Press back button. You can give the name here. Okay. Birla Credit Control Area, Hyderabad. Just write it down as it is. So BIC1, Birla Credit Control Area, Hyderabad. Press the back button and give the description. Okay, next click on save. So next one we need to create BIC2 also. So instead of giving again new entries, what we can do is SAP has provided, if all the attributes are same, then what we can do is instead of create new entries, you can select BIC1, select BIC1, and next click on copy as button. So what it will do, it will copy all the attributes which are there, whatever we have given 0012, right? Same thing. What is the credit limit, currency, everything will be copied. So click on copy as button. Only the thing, see here, automatically it got updated. So next what we need to give, just we need to give BIC2. BIC2. So once you have changed B to BIC2, press enter. So no, I don't want to change anything here. So I would like to give only BIC2. Okay, we are copying, the source is BIC1 and we are copying to BIC2. So press enter. Okay, or see, you can see here, just you can change to Mumbai. Press enter and say Mumbai. See here, you can see here. Now both are created. BIC1 credit control area, BIC2 credit control area with the same attributes. Okay, now I would like to create for one more we have. What is that? PUC1, San Francisco. So press new entries. Okay, so I'll BUC1. Okay, currency, this is US currency, USD. The attributes are not same, that's the reason I have changed. So here, update 12. Fiscal year variant are corporate companies in India. So we are going to take same April to March. And credit limit, I'm giving 10,000 or something like. Okay, as per dollar value, we are selecting it. Just write it down. Yeah, I know. Here we have selected commas, right? Indian format. Here. So we are creating BUC1, US credit control area, currency USD, same update 12, fiscal year variant V3, and the credit limit. So click on save button. Any questions still here? Yes, no.
No.
Click on save button. Press back button. So here we will give Birla San Francisco. SAN San Francisco. Write down. So we have created 3 credit control areas. You can see here. We have created 3 credit control Hyderabad, one for Mumbai, another one for San Francisco. So 3 company codes, 3 credit control area. Second step. Next one. Third step, write down. Okay. Third step, write down. Edit. Third step. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. I'll show you here. Third step. Edit, copy. Third step. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, this step is mandatory for every module. Without company code, we are not going to create any books of accounts for any module. So this is a mandatory step. Okay, without designing a company code, we can't do any sort of enterprise structure. Okay, so path, same as above. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. From there, select, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Transaction code OX02. OX02. Transaction code OX02. Okay. So till financial accounting, it's the same path. Okay. So here, edit, copy, delete, check company code, transaction code OX02. Okay. Transaction code is OX02. And click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. So here double click on edit company. So 2 options are there, copy, delete, check company code. Here we need to edit company code. Double click on second option, edit company code data. Double click on edit company code data. Okay, our company codes are not ready yet. We have not created. So what we need to do, press new entries. Press new entries. What are our company codes? We have designed BI01, BI02, BU01. BI01 Hyderabad 1, BI02 Mumbai, BU01 US. Right? These are our company codes. Okay, I'll give it as an BI01 Birla India first company. Okay, I'll give it as in Birla Cement Private Limited, city located in Hyderabad, country INR, country IN, and here this is very, very important, currency, right? As I said that what is your company code currency and local currency? So whatever currency you are going to define in the currency, right? That will become you can call it as a local currency or company code currency. What is the difference between a company code currency and a local currency? Means both are same. Both are same. Whatever currency we are going to define at the time of creation of company code, then that currency is considered as a local currency or a company code currency. Clear? INR. Language, English. Just write it down. So again, I'm reiterating, put the star mark for currency. It's very, very important. Put the star mark for currency. Okay. Right. Definitely people are asking, what is the difference between local currency or company code? So, right. So, or you can put it as in currency, company code currency or local currency. You can put it over there. Right. In interview, sometimes again, they may ask you what is the difference or where we are going to define the local currency. Where we are going to define the local currency. Where we are going to define the local currency? At the time of company code definition. At the time of company code creation, we are going to define local currency. Yes, no? Yes?
Yes.
Please respond, please, because I'm not able to understand whether you're following, because it's a virtual, absolutely. That's the reason every time I'm asking, because the basics things, this is the important steps. That's the reason I'm asking you, you're okay with this or not. Or else I'll repeat any number of times. I don't have any issues with that. Can we proceed?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So next. So just enter these details, write down these details. Okay. Click on save. After entering the details, then it will ask, once we click on save button, it will ask for more details of the company code. Okay. It will ask all the details, address and all. So click on save button. So here you need to select title. It's a company, right? Name of the company. So Birla and
Private limited.
yeah, private limited. Okay. Short name, I'll give it as in my company code PI01. Okay. So I have some addresses, I think. I'm giving any vague address. I'm giving whatever it is there. So the important point here is region. In India, we have number of regions. So which region this particular company code belongs to? Because as per that, the GST will be done. Okay, so we need to give 36. Telangana region. Post box number. Just write it up. So again, this details will be provided by your client itself. So first company code we are creating Birla Cement Private Limited BI01. Okay. Click on save button. So same thing. Okay. Okay. So what is next one? What we need to do? We have how many company codes we have?
3.
Already we have created one. So we need to create one more BI02. So for that, instead of going back and create, so here you can click next entry button, press next entry button, press next entry button. You're able to see, right?
Yes.
F8 shortcut key. Okay. So next entry button. So here our company code is BI
0.
BI02. Okay, BI02. Next one. We will give it as an Birla Steels Private Limited. Steels, this one. Limited. City, it's in Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Country, IN. What would be its local currency?
INR.
INR. INR. Language, English. Right answer. Language, English. Okay. So just Birla Steels, Mumbai, IN country, India, currency, INR, again, local currency. So language, English, press save button, then it will ask for the details. It will ask for details, company, Birla, right? Birla Steels Private Limited. Search one, BI02. BI02. Mount Road. And then Mount Road. So your region 13, Maharashtra. This is important. So any your box number you can give. Just write down. This is Mumbai address. At the time of registration, whatever address you are going to give, so that address we are going to mention company registration. Okay. Is this done?
Yes.
So click on save button. It has been saved. So we have created two company codes. We have defined two company codes and we have one more company code, right? So instead of going back, what we can do? We can click on
Next.
next entry is F8. So we have US1. So BU01. Next one, company name. Birla Steels. INC. San Francisco. country US, and here local currency would be USD, and language English. So write down this. Company code BU01, Birla Steels INC, San Francisco US, and USD English. So after entering these details, again we need to press save button. Right, again here. Company name, Birla Steels Incorporations, BU01. Free amount. See, these addresses, why I'm able to give in the sense in the first implementation, I have an idea that I have given these IDs. That's the reason I'm giving this. These details. US and status California, CA. Okay. Okay. California, CA. If you can type, you can search all, it will show you all the states in US.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll take this as in CA address. Just write it down. Or you can change it to. Okay. So we have created total 3 company codes. Okay, click on save button. So here you can see here 3 company codes, BI01, BI02, and BU01. Any questions here?
No, after update these details, we can see FK03 vendor details,
No,
right?
we are not created vendor, right? These are not vendor, these are company,
Oh,
right? Those are vendors, FK and all.
mm,
This is not FK01. We are creating our own company, not third-party vendors.
oh,
Hope you got my point.
yes, yes.
Okay, so we will see one more step today. So any questions still here? Company code creation part, definition of company code. Okay, next step, we have created company codes, credit control area. We have defined company, correct? So we have done with 3 steps. Okay, next one, write down. Define business area. Define business area. 4th step. Define business area. Write down. Path. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. path, same as above, till financial accounting. So from there, select define business area. Define business area. Okay. Transaction code OX03. Okay. OX03. Okay. So we have already discussed that we are going to create 3 domestic business areas, right? For example, yeah, business areas. We are going to define 3 local business areas, that is Guntur, Mumbai, and Hyderabad, and 2 foreign business areas. Clear? One is in Hyderabad, local business areas, Hyderabad business area, right? Mumbai business area and Guntur business area we are going to create. And what is the other 2 business areas we have? One is in Singapore and another one is in San Francisco. Clear? So total 5 business areas. Okay. So transaction code OX02. OX02. And click on IMG activity. Sorry. Okay. So press new entries. So here what I'm going to do is every element I'm going to start with B. B is nothing but Birla, our company code, company representation. So here any business area or any functional area or any management area, I'm going to define starting letter would be B. B represents Birla. Okay, so here I'll give it as a BGNT. Okay, Birla, Guntur, Guntur, business area. Okay, same thing. We have one more BHYD. Same thing. Just I'll change here to Birla. Birla, Hyderabad business area. Next one, Birla, Mumbai business area. Because already previous batches I have taken. Birla, Mumbai business area. Next one, Birla, this. So for our understanding, okay. Birla, Singapore business area. Last but not least, San Francisco. Birla, San Francisco. So just write it down. Birla, San Francisco business area. So we have a business area branches in 5 different locations. 3 are in domestic and 2 are in foreign. Any questions? Okay, click on save button. Any questions?
No.
Click on save button. So we need to check whether we are in same group or not. So click on OK. Next step, write down define functional area. Define functional area. Define functional area. Path same as above. Define functional area. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. And select define functional area. Define functional area. Define functional area. So if we press this, see here, there is no transaction code mentioned in this, and this is completely a new configuration setting. If you press this also, you will get some sort of error message. We are going to get some error message. Okay, so click on functional areas. You can see the error message and you can write that error message. See, this view is obsolete. Use transaction. The new transaction code is given for this. Okay, with the path, we can't do this. Okay, if you click on this, automatically it will provide you the transaction code. FM underscore. So you can write this error message also. So this particular screen is deactivated. Okay, SAP has given different new transaction code. So what is the transaction code here? FM underscore function. FM underscore function. FM underscore function. So I'm opening a new screen, right? So you can type here FM underscore function. FM underscore function. Okay. FM underscore function. So press enter. Press enter. Okay, so we have a different business area, functional areas. See here, functional areas. All right, these are the functional areas, means departments. Functional areas are nothing but your departments. So here we will create BADM. Okay, so here after giving the details, we will have create functional area. Okay, click on create button. Next. So here I would like to give Birla admin department. Birla admin department. And here valid from. See, we are doing SAP implementation. We are doing SAP implementation to our client. Okay, but earlier it's not a new company. For example, Birla is not a new company, but they are new to only SAP. Earlier they were using different software. They are using different software. They were using some legacy system, old systems. So there will be some data, right, in that old system. So that's the reason valid from, in the sense I won't take this particular year. I will take 1 year backdated, means whatever last year data is there that we are going to upload in future with LSMW, right? You remember, right? LSMW, right? So we are going to give last year data, that is nothing but 01 for 2022 and valid till unlimited. Just write it down. Unlimited, because we follow in accounting going concern concept. Going concern concept means we don't know when we are going to end our company. At the time of starting, we won't say that we are going to end this company by this particular year. No, it's not a joint venture or something. Okay, maximum date we are giving here. Okay, BADM admin department. So click on save button. Click on save button. So you can say functional area BADM. Okay, functional area BDM has been saved. BADM, Birla Admin Department. So here again, I'll BHCM. BHCM. So click on create. So same thing, human capital. Human capital is nothing but HR department. Human capital department. Same valid also, same thing. 1 year backdated. That's it. Just write it down. Human capital department. Okay. So once you have done Birla Human Capital Department, click on save button. Next one, finance. So once next click on create button. Okay. Birla Finance Department. So same thing, valid from till end. Okay, click on save button. Okay, finance has been saved. Next one more. So I'm just typing it. Okay, purchase department. Purchase department. So click on create button. So here I'll just change to purchase. Purchase department, valid from same thing, 1 year backdated to till. So if it is a new company with new SAP implementation, then we can take current date only. Okay. So click on save button. Next one. QLT. Click on Birla Quality Department. Quality Department. Quality Department. Click on save button. Okay. And one more department. Production department. Or first stores. First we have purchased the material, and after the purchasing the material, we will store it, right? We will do quality check. Once quality check is completed, then we will stores department. Okay. Stores department. So I'll go. Stores department. So that is nothing but raw material. We have purchased the raw material. After that, we have done the quality check. Once the quality check is done, then we are going to store that raw material. And after that, we are going to send for production. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Okay, stores department. What is next one? Production. Production. PRD. So click on create button. So here we can select production department. So click on save button. Okay. So BPRD production, Birla production department. Utilities. What is utilities? What is the utilities department will do? See, in general, we call it as in consumable stores also. See here, utilities is nothing but when I'm doing production, what are the things we need? We need power, right?
Water.
Cotton, all those stuff we are calling it up. We are going to call it as either utilities or grease, petrol, whatever required to run that particular machine, to maintain that particular machine in good condition, right? Whatever additional things are required, that all we call it as an utilities or consumable stores. Utilities are consumable stores. Clear? So here I'll call it as an utilities. Utilities department. Just write it down. So click on save button. One more, we will go to sales. Once we are done, so we will create sales. Create sales department. Birla sales department. Just write it. Click on save button. So we have created all the departments, whatever we have. Okay. Okay. So here we have created all the departments. And here, if you press F4, it will show you all the departments. Or you can just go ahead. Show you all the departments. So these are standard function areas. You can see we started with B, right? Admin, finance. Okay, quality, sales. Okay, or okay, any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Yes, no.
No.
Right. So what we'll do is tomorrow we have a class, even though it's Saturday, because we have missed 2 sessions. So tomorrow we will continue with the next topics. Clear, same time tomorrow, 7:30 to 8:30. So we will have tomorrow session. I'll mention in the group also. Fine, no problem, right? If I take tomorrow session. Yeah, anyone have an issue, then we can drop it or we can continue from Monday. If you're okay with tomorrow, then that at least we can complete the definition and assigning part. So Saturday afternoon, once you can start practice the things. Yes, no.
No problem, sir.
Is it okay tomorrow session?
Yes.
Yes, for me.
Thank you. And kindly share your email IDs. And hope, have you taken the access, server access?
No, we'll take them.
Yeah, because these 2 days you can utilize whatever structure. Because if the day start from first day onwards, then that would be an advantage for us.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.